Hello, this is Jason Champion with AWCI. This video today is to cover one of Tom's tips concerning how to make a barrel opening device utilizing a can of compressed air or the air pressure nozzle that you may have available to your bench. This tool is extremely helpful to open up barrels to avoid damaging the barrel cover or drum via the deflection that you might get as you're prying open the cover or drum. It also helps to cut down on the metal wear that is initiated whenever a barrel is opened utilizing a razor blade or a case opening tool or whatever metallic object that you may be utilizing to open up a barrel. Today we're going to be utilizing a 7750 barrel. This is a barrel that closes around the outside of the drum, so this is one of them that we commonly see damaged, and by utilizing this tool it helps keep that damage from occurring. Some of the tools that we're going to need is going to be a can of compressed air. In this case we've already got the fixture fitted to it, and I'm going to show you what you need to manufacture this. So we're going to need a razor knife. In this case I've got a barrel closer here that I'm utilizing to rest things on as I'm working with it. I also have a straw that comes with a can of compressed air new. We also have a tweezer tip protector. This just comes off of a brand new pair of tweezers, and then I've just got a piece of Kingswood here that we'll use to cut this off with. So to manufacture this tool, we basically will take the straw and we're going to insert the straw into the tweezer tip protector until it comes almost all of the way to the end here. I'm not forcing this, I'm just leaving this loose. And what we will do is we will come just in front of this and we're going to cut this tool off, giving ourselves a little extra room. So to cut this off, I'm just going to kind of rotate this on the piece of wood there. Cuts it off very clean and very evenly. Set the razor knife away so that I don't damage myself with that. Then we're going to take the straw and simply invert the straw into the end that we just cut off. And this is going to generate a very nice friction fit for us. It's quite difficult to put this in, so you may have to trim it again, but we want a very tight fit because ultimately this becomes a friction fit and a seal for our compressed air. So once we get it to this stage, now we're ready to come back and trim this tool, our tweezer tip protector again at the end, giving ourselves just a little bit of space here. And this is where it's actually going to come in contact with our barrel itself. So again, if you kind of rock that around a little bit, rotate, roll that through as you're working with it, that gives you a nice clean edge, and that's going to seal well up against our barrel. So the next thing that we need to do is give ourselves just a little bit of room to insert the straw into the can of compressed air. I'll come back here just a little ways, give myself enough material so that it can go into the top of the compressed air can a little bit. Again, keep the razor knife away from us. We don't want that to hurt ourselves. And then we can actually come back in and push this into our can of compressed air. So we will insert this into the can of compressed air like so, and that gives us a nice seal. So once inserted into our can of compressed air, this gives us a very nice seal so that we can open our barrels without doing any damage to our barrel by deflecting it, nor by any metallic instrument that we might be using to open the cover up with. So after we've made our tool, we can open up a barrel. We're just going to give this a quick test. So the way this works is you bring your barrel to the tip of the can of compressed air. The nozzle that we just made out of the tweezer protector goes around our barrel arbor, and in this case I've got it going around the pinion on the bottom of the 7750 cover here, and we will just depress the can of compressed air nozzle here and cause some compressed air to come out, and that's going to snap the barrel cover open. And it's that simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. We look forward to doing maybe more of these in the future, and look for Tom's Tips in your copy of the Horological Times magazine. Thank you.